Congress commitment to Meghalaya, an unemployment-free Meghalaya. Congress is committed towards providing a job to every household in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Kaseng BJP haka khat santri urempang arhajar arpulai kala pelat patba yakimat jengkular na gebentaki election. Haka ba Kular ban bah laipo naksispa akikentai haka kam sarkar bat ban pentreka mega 7th Pay Commission haka jela. Ya kene ka manifesto la pelat patba daw National President ke BJP UJP Nada haka jinglang ke belalong Hatach Vivanta rengkat ke jingdan lang u Presiden ke BJP Meghalaya uba Ernest Mauri kinong elam ke BJP ke bekentup ya uba AL Hack uba San Borsulai bat kiwe-kiwe. Habagaran na kajingalang UJP Nada udah Kular bantau ke task force kaban petngor ke bedai bat ke kamti doyong bean bat ban pencelur ke jingti doyong lengba ke jing start science. Udaong bo thung ru ya ke special task force kaban kliat unong bisyar belasong thaj jong ke yang syari Supreme Court banti benia aki kam bamsap. Udaong ba ke BJP kene keren bat kene trailang ba ke sarkar pedang na kebenta bane penbet yo put usam ba ke jela asam bat anteiru iki outpost ke bapura hakithan kaput. Une National President ke BJP ulang ba haka manifesto jong ke BJP ke Kular ban pentrekam ke 7th Pay Commission haka jingsiu tulop ikinong tre sarkar haka jela. Bat ke jing ai ke tulop kan long haka por ke babiang bat an pentrekam ru ya kapan nong light scheme haka ban ai sanpo hajar tengka haka bakai kun kentai ban ai jing pule ai ki kena kentai nado ke kerdan KG hado ke post graduation. Ulang ban pentrekam ru ke skim na kebentai kilong kemi ke bakamai merwei bat ya kiba layap na ukurim bagini operiang ar pusau hajar tengka sisnem bat on IA artli ki LPG cylinder syaginong yo jing mentoy lengba ka PM Ujwala Yojana bat on IA yo khau ke sini kamlo bat ukau syakitu ke bayo ya ka ration UJP Nada udah penemenaru ban kentiu ya kejingmang pisa lengba ke Ayushman Bharat na kasan lak tengka syakash paulak tengka na kebenta kitu ke biok jing sumar bat ke BJP kentai ki Medical College IT Park Industrial Unit bat kiwe-kiwe ulang syok-syok ban pentrekam shispa na ke shispa ya ke PMAY na kebenta ban penchna yeng gi nong syong-syong kejela ban ajingerap lai hajar tengka na kebenta kinong rep kibam dan jaka on ajingerap nriu hajar tengka kinong ri dokha on mang laipon ke shispa ka kam sarkar na kebenta ki kentai on kentiu arsha ya ke bai bam temen bat kiwe-kiwe ki jing Kular.
But on this occasion of the release of the manifesto, I would like to share with you that first of all, Meghalaya is a state which is rich in culture, traditions, and a beautiful state, and has got a lot of potential, which has been not rightly utilized till date. So there is a lot to be done, and there is a lot of scope to be done, which we would like to see to it that in coming times we take the Meghalaya forward under the leadership of Bharatiya Janata Party. When I say so, I find that there is a competition now which has started taking place among the northeastern states for development. And Meghalaya also is trying to see to it to cope up with it. But here the corruption has been an issue which has been a hindrance as far as the development is concerned. So, as I said yesterday, that we would like to see that Meghalaya is corruption-free state, and that is what we would like to work for. First of all, we all know that the state machinery is a very important instrument as far as bringing change in the state, and for that, the state machinery is very important. Here, we have decided in our manifesto that we will implement the 7th Pay Commission in Meghalaya, and the salaries of the employees will be dispersed in time so that the machinery is well greased and it is in the best possible manner that they are able to work. Agriculturists the horticulturists are the prime concern for Bharatiya Janata Party and for the development of Meghalaya, because a lot of scope is there in the field of horticulture, in the field of agriculture, in the field of natural farming, in the field of farming without pesticides and without the other pesticides. So, when we talk about Kisan Samman Nidhi, we have decided that we will enhance by 2,000 rupees annually in the 6,000 rupees which we are already getting. The women needs to be empowered. The child needs to be empowered. And for that, we have decided that we will start and introduce a program which will be known as Kafan Nogalite Scheme. And this is named after the first freedom fighter from the Khasi Hills. And under this scheme, when the girl child will be born, a bond of rupees 50,000 will be provided to the girl child for the empowerment. The same way, we will, for the empowerment of the women, we will provide free education to female, to girl child, from kindergarten, KG to PG, post-graduate. As far as the youth is concerned, we have decided that we will go in a big way for the youth skill development. And for that, skill training structure will be created where 3.5 lakh means 3,50,000 self-employment opportunities by setting up of 2 new SEZs and industrial area units and 1 additional IT park and banking and hospitality industries over the next 5 years. Special economic zone will be developed, and in this special economic zone for the youth empowerment, we will have industrial units, we will have additional IT park, and we will have banking and hospitality industries for the within next 5 years. I'd like to share with you. Again, we will have 100% coverage of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. That means in Meghalaya, nobody will reside in Kacha Makan. All will have Pakka Chat and Pakka Makan with two rooms, along with washroom, along with kitchen, along with gas connection. All this will, and along with the courtyard. So this will be the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana 100% coverage that we will ensure. For us, any manifesto, any vision document which we make, if we come into the governance, we make it an official document of the governance, and it is the government's responsibility to implement letter and spirit in toto. 100% it has to be implemented. That is how it is. So,
for a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.